everybody, welcome back to my channel. It feels like an absolute age since I sat down and filmed something for you guys. I've just been so busy over the last couple of weeks, and because the weather has turned kind of good, did you all enjoy that amazing Easter weekend? How often does hot sun come literally for the bank holiday and then kind of go away again? I mean, it was warm today, but you know, it wasn't sunbathing weather. Wasn't it amazing? And having a garden for that time was just so fabulous. Literally rolling out of bed, rolling onto the grass and just laying there. It was like a dream come true. So I kind of got caught up in that. And also in other news, Christmas has finally left my house. Yeah, you wouldn't believe it, but everything's actually up in the loft instead of in the room I normally film in. But the room I normally film in is also a little bit untidy, just a small bit. So I thought, why not take advantage of the longer nights and the light and come outside and film. So if this doesn't go well, if this sounds really bad, I guess I'll do it again. But you know, let me know if you enjoy me. And having not even a fake wall, this is a real brick wall backdrop, you know? Anyway, you know what we are here for. It is time for some cruelty-free and vegan beauty, courtesy of the Pip Box. Yes, this arrived this morning, I think. Yeah, it's Tuesday. This arrived today, so it's a little bit later, but I guess that's because of bank holiday fun. So shall we just get unboxing? If you want to find out what is inside this, you know what I love you to do. Give me a thumbs up, share this video when you're done, ring that notification bell because you never know when I will upload, and subscribe, join the gang. All right, let's get into the video. So the Pip Box is £20 a month, making it one of the more expensive boxes, but that does include P&P. And of course, if you buy a 3 or 6 or 12 month subscription, you will get a bit of a discount. At £20, this is definitely on the higher end of the budget, but you know, it does include cruelty-free and vegan products all of the time, which isn't that easy to find in this marketplace. Even though you think by now everyone will be doing it for every product, they're not. So I still like it. But will I like this month's? Let's find out. Always comes in a recyclable cardboard box like this. And when you get inside, this is what you have. Not bad. Let's see what our paperwork says. The blooming edit. So everything's linked to flowery stuff. With a focus on floral scents, floral packaging and botanical ingredients, this month's edit is all about flower power, and as always 50p from every box goes to the charity Animal Free Research UK. Right, let's get inside. Right, let's start with these, because I have actually had these before, but not from Pip Box, and these are tweezers from the Vintage Cosmetics Company, and you've got to love their packaging. Look at those flowers, so cool, old-fashioned. Now you might be thinking, oh, tweezers, that's a bit dull, but actually these are really good. I had these in rose gold before, and I'm presuming they're the same. They look the same, just not rose gold. And I wasn't going to use them, I was going to give them away because I thought, oh, tweezers, I'm not that fussed. But when I actually undid the packet and used them, I was like, oh, these feel really nice in my hand. And when I was pulling out some eyebrows on my mum, you see that's the kind, thoughtful daughter I am, causing my mum pain. She seemed to experience less pain with these tweezers, and it seemed to be easier. I was gripping easily, and yeah, I was actually quite impressed. So before you think tweezers are boring, actually better tweezers can be better. It just says, please me, tweeze me. High quality slanted tweezers for easy brow shaping. Made from a hard wearing stainless steel. These are a must have for every girl's makeup bag. And Pip Box says, designed for precision plucking time after time. With slanted tips, these little beauties can tame unruly brows or help to apply false lashes. A handbag must have for brows that wow. And of course, they are full size. That's what we like, full size products. Next is this from Bayo. Is that how you say it, Bayo Skincare? It looks like this. So it's a little bottle, clear bottle with like a peachy label, and it is hydrating rose mist. Mist all over your face and neck to help hydrate, brighten and plump for a glowing complexion. Okay, rose flower water, aloe vera leaf juice, frankincense essential oil, hyaluronic acid and It's almost all organic. It can be used as a toner and a facial mist, wonderful at hydrating and evening out skin tone, along with helping to boost cell regeneration, and the hyaluronic acid helps to plump. As long as it's the right kind of acid to get through the skin cells, like I found out. Oh, and they've given us 20% off using the code PIP20 at bayoskincare.co.uk. Right, that's a bit violent. Spray and sniff. Ooh! It has a very light rose scent. Like, yeah, I like it. I really like that actually. Of course, if you're not a fan of rose scents, you may not get it. It's not super strong. It's just like a lovely breeze pass through. Yeah, that's cool. When it's getting warmer, a little facial mist can be really refreshing. Nice, small, even drops, so you're not dashing yourself in the face. Yeah, that's really nice. Happy with that. Next, okay, I love this brand. Why do I love this brand? Because I adore their packaging. This is from Elate Cosmetics, and just look at all that beautiful work there. Can we see that? So all of their products come in wooden case with lovely little patterns like that on the end and around the base. It's like flowers and stuff. It makes me think of elves for some reason. And maybe you're not into elves, but I like elves. I am into fantasy stuff. The only thing I don't like is when you take the, the wrapper, the sticker off. It leaves a sticky thing on there. I wish that they could come up with a solution for that. Maybe like a cuff, you know, that you could rip off that's paper, because it's annoying to have this sticky, but you know, I'll get over it, will I? Yeah, I will. What is it anyway? It's a vibrant lipstick in the colour Bloom. See, when you take the sticker off, it says Elate on the tube, and when we lift it off, oh, is that vibrant? I guess so. It's kind of a peachy pink. To be honest, I feel my nails are more vibrant than that, but maybe it's a match. Let's do a swatch. Okay. So it's coming up a lot more pink on my hand than it is kind of peachy, like really bright pink. And you have to layer it a bit as well to get a defined colour. Oh, that's really a bit sad. It feels like quite a nice moisturising texture. But I wouldn't say the colour is that bold. You have to press pretty hard to get like an impactful colour, and otherwise, you know, do that. I don't really like that colour. It's kind of the wrong colour pink for me. I've rubbed it all over my hand now, so I might as well try it on, mightn't I? Right, let's give it a go. You see what I mean? It is kind of matching the flowers in my top, so that is good. It doesn't look quite so bad on camera to me, but yeah, it's just that kind of baby pink that I'm not that keen on. What do you guys think? Can I take it? Does it need a lip liner? I feel like I really want to whack it on as well. It feels nice actually, but it has a bit of an odd smell. I don't want to be disparaging to Elate, but you know, like kind of cheap lipstick, that's what the smell reminds me of. If it was this colour, I would have loved it so much more. Let's just wait for that plane to go. We get a lot of planes here. We had someone paragliding the other day in like a motorised buggy paraglider thing. It all goes on here. If it had been this colour, I would have been a lot more into it, but it is kind of pink and florally, and the pattern on this is pink and florally. Someone is speeding around, or a plane or something somewhere, and where I am, there aren't even roads to do that on, so I don't get what's going on. Give your lips the love they deserve. Elate lipsticks are blended with nourishing shea and mango butter to keep your smile supple and smooth, while organic vanilla essential oil leaves a kissably soft scent. I wouldn't have said that was vanilla. Dare to have a little fun and let the playful colours on these lippies accent your every pose. There's only one choice of lipstick. as well. I'm just going to have to sniff that again because vanilla, really? I would not call that vanilla. Maybe this will be okay for some looks, and at least it comes in a beautiful, beautiful case because I love that. Right, what's next? Eco Blitz. Never heard of this brand. Shampoo bar with eucalyptus, lemon and mint, handmade in Devon. Okay, looks like this. Like the packaging, fits the floral theme, of course. Fresh and invigorating, our plastic-free shampoo bar gently cleanses your hair and scalp without drying. Use a scalp-friendly vinegar rinse as the perfect conditioner. Good idea. Didn't know you could do that. Oh, that smells amazing. I'm not going to open the packaging yet, but my husband is loving his shampoo bar that he's got at the moment, so he will be thrilled to have another one. It's a bit smaller. It will last quite a long time. The one he's got at the moment is from Bloomtown, and that's lasted ages. So that's nice. I love that Pip Box gets us extra discounts, you know. Most other boxes don't do that, but Pip Box does it with something at least every single month. That's where your £20 goes. Okay, last item already. And it's from Manakadar, and it's pretty. Can you see what I mean? Oh, that's the problem with nature. Sometimes has wings. So, it looks like this. And I've never seen this before. It's Perfecting. It's a blush and highlighter. Okay. This multifunctional pressed blush and highlighter trio is embossed with a beautiful multicolour floral design that will help you achieve healthy, glowing skin. Use the 3 shades separate or blend them together to achieve the perfect balance of colour and highlight. I guess like a goldy highlight, a more rose gold in the middle, and then a pink flower at the bottom. I'm going to see if I can get them all separate. Right. So I've tried my best. So you get the gold, sort of peachy pink, and the more rose goldy pink. Because I caught the edge of it on that gold one especially. It's got a now streak of pink in it. That wasn't good. Let's try it again with my little finger. It's really hard not to get the other colour on it. To be honest, that just comes out kind of chalky white. That gold one isn't anything to write home about. You'd have to really layer that up, and very, very carefully. See what I mean? It comes off, this is when I've got too much light, isn't it? It comes off almost white. So I know it's hard to see. Whitey pink. And those are the other colours. I think that is my favourite, which is the overall. Now, let's see if I can swirl all over. You swirl all over, you basically get that, which is mostly that, and that comes out like that. So yeah, I like that. Again, goes with my nails. I have to say, I'm not sure as a highlighter if that's got enough reflection. It doesn't matter which way I'm angling, it's coming off as more of a soft satin sheen. There's no blinding there. And once you've swished your colours together, are you ever going to get them back? I don't know. Yeah, I mean, I just thought I'll try some of the darkest colour as highlight. And that is definitely going to be more of a blush colour than a highlight colour. I'm going to go again trying to get in that gold, but it's all kind of mixed together now. I haven't got any highlight on today. See what I mean? It's not really, there's not really any shine, is there? I feel like I'm just putting a pink stripe on my face, but I'm not getting anything. Can't say this is recommended. As a blush, yes. As a highlighter, not so much. It's not a terribly shiny blush either because it's really not doing anything. So if you're a person who doesn't like shiny blush, then this probably is the one for you if you like that kind of colour. This is too small for me to be like, oh look, I've got 3 different colours. I would just end up sticking my brush in all of it. So yeah, that's fine. I like it because I like the colour personally, and I feel like, you know, a little light touch of that would be good, especially certain looks. But as a blush highlighter combo, no, it's not working. So that is the end of our Pip Box. What do you guys think? Are you happy? I think I'm fairly happy. So total value for this month's box is £51.94, and that is on a spend of £20. So we have, what, 2.5 times the box cost? Pretty good, acceptable value. A bunch of different brands and products, some old favourites, some new ones, and at least one brand new brand that I've never tried before, which is excellent. They also do like cleaning products and rentals or something. I don't know, check out the website for more. One thing I did want to go into more detail about is this, the Bio Hydrating Rose Mist. I wasn't sure if it's full size or not, and it's not. The full size is 100ml, this is 30ml one, but still a decent size to be able to test, you know, as it's a mist. It's not something you're going to use loads of in 5 seconds. It's handmade, organic, natural, cruelty-free and 100% vegan, of course, the last two. But this is best for skin that's dehydrated, dry, oily, acne prone or pregnant, and sensitive skin as well. Maybe this is more exciting even than you thought. Just before I go, let me tell you about the next month's theme. It's Summer Prep, containing a selection of skincare and beauty items handpicked by our team to help you prepare for the summer months, worth over £73. So you might want to get in for that. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. As always, let me know all your thoughts down below. Let me know also what you think of being outside for the natural products in the nature. Or is it too much? I don't know. Until I see you next time, I hope you take care of yourselves and find something positive in every day. Bye guys.